To the untrained eye, one wonders what black magic is involved in making these surfaces float. Behind the curtain, we'll find the front-mounting bracket from Centerline brackets. Like its bigger brother, the front-mounting Plus, this bracket holds an impressive amount of weight, but there's no magic to installing them. Just watch. Abe Lincoln once said, "The internet is full of stupid people. Don't be one of them." So take his advice and wear these, because safety isn't stupid. And if you're kicking up dust, wear one of these. Some earplugs, and keep your skid on with gloves. Helps you grip your tools better too. Now let's gear up. Installation on the front mounting bracket is as straightforward as opening the mail. You'll need a clamp, a level, a drill, a 9/64 inch bit, a number 3 Phillips driver, silicone adhesive, and to show you how straightforward installation is, we chose Keith because he has no prior experience installing our bracket. Now that we're geared up, let's begin the installation. Place the bracket directly in front of the stud, making sure it's level with the top of the cap. Then clamp the bracket to the stud. For floor-to-ceiling wall installation, check out our front-mounting Plus installation video. Both brackets install the same way, but you'll learn how to work with existing sheetrock. Turn the level 90 degrees and adjust the sideways level of the bracket. Now, drill a pilot hole at the top using a 9/64 inch bit. This will help ensure the wood doesn't split. Securely mount the bracket to the stud using the provided number 12 wood screws. If you find that your stud wall is not plumb, be sure to shim the bracket. Now, drill a pilot hole and secure with a screw. Do the same for the middle hole and the first bracket is done. Repeat this process for the remaining brackets using a level to ensure they are level with each other. Once the brackets are secure and level, finish the wall. Then run a bead of high-quality silicone adhesive down the center of each bracket. Carefully place the top, and it's time to celebrate a job well done.